Hello everyone, I am Shivam Pasari and welcome to Asian Academy. So as you can see from the title of this video, in this video we'll solve another good question on the topic of trigonometry, and this question has been taken from the Tomato book. Now the question is as follows: find the minimum value of 9 cos squared theta plus 16 sec squared theta. So this is an integer type question, so our answer will be an integer. So I would like you to try this question first by yourself and then come to this video for the solution. I hope that I've tried the question and you've got the solution, and if you didn't, then let's check the solution. So according to our given question, we have to find the minimum value of 9 cos squared theta plus 16 sec squared theta. So we have to find the minimum value of this trigonometric expression. Now whenever we have to find the minimum value of any positive quantities, that is, over here we have 9 cos squared theta and 16 sec squared theta. Now since cos squared theta and sec squared theta are both positive in their domain and we have positive numbers multiplied to it, we can use the property of AM is always greater than or equal to GM. Now AM stands for arithmetic mean and GM stands for geometric mean. So if we have to find the arithmetic mean of two different numbers, we'll just add the number and divide by 2. And if we have to find the geometric mean of two different numbers, we just take the square root of the product. So we have root AB. Now AM is always greater than or equal to GM for all positive real numbers. So if we take A as 9 cos squared theta and B as 16 sec squared theta, then we can apply the property that AM is always greater than or equal to GM. So over here we can have 9 cos squared theta plus 16 sec squared theta divided by 2 is always greater than or equal to 9 into 16 into cos squared theta into sec squared theta. Now cos squared theta into sec squared theta is equal to 1 because sec squared theta is basically 1 by cos squared theta. So cos squared theta and 1 by cos squared theta will get cancelled, so we'll have 1, and 9 into 16 under the square root will give us the result as 12. Now this 2 can be transferred over here, so we'll have 12 into 2, so this 2 will get cancelled, and 9 cos squared theta plus 16 sec squared theta is always greater than or equal to 24. So the minimum value of 9 cos squared theta plus 16 sec squared theta is equal to 24. So you can see that how powerful is the property of AM is always greater than or equal to GM, and we can only apply it when we are given positive real numbers only. So our final answer is 24.